Okay, so let's go for a topic today, and this is the topic. Hope is a beautiful thing. Please write hope is a beautiful thing. We will have a group discussion on this. Hope is a beautiful thing. So we will have 3 rounds: introduction, and then body, and then conclusion. So the topic which I am giving you is hope is a beautiful thing. So the topic is hope is a beautiful thing. Take 30 seconds and then we start. Okay, so I think now we started, and I start from Kiran now. Kiran, please initiate.
Okay, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Kiran. I am initiating the discussion. So today, the given topic for us is hope is a beautiful thing. So I agree with the topic that I agree with the statement that hope is a beautiful thing. In my opinion, every individual in the world should have some hope towards the future. Otherwise, there is no meaning of our life. So, in my opinion, everyone should be having a hope. During this COVID pandemic situation, so we are stuck in our home. Most of them are stuck in our home for last 1.5 years. But the thing that is making us to live, making us to live is that hope that in next year or in next month everything will be fine. We will be able to move freely around the world without any mask and all. So this hope is the thing that is that is helping us to live for future and all. So I think hope is a very beautiful thing, and everyone should be having some hope towards the future. And by this note, I'm opening the house for discussion.
Okay, Hitesh.
So good evening, friends. This is Hitesh Senapati. The topic given today is hope is a beautiful thing. It is a philosophical topic. So I agree with this topic given. I will like to say two important aspects of this. So hope can be positive or negative. It can energize a person to live, and it can de-energize a person to not work anything. So in this uncertain world, if we have a positive hope, that is a part of our positive attitude, it can lead us to become successful and have a meaningful life in this present. So with this, I want to invite my friends to add up their points in this discussion.
Yeah, Deepak.
Good evening. To start the discussion here, friends, the topic given to us for discussion is hope is a very beautiful thing. I totally agree with the statement that hope is a very beautiful thing. Friends, I believe that this topic is a very philosophical topic and very important topic in terms of today's period. Friends, I think that I want to categorize this whole discussion into two parts. First, having hope, and the second, having hope. Having hope is not only a good thing. Like having hope is a very beautiful thing. It gives us strength to tackle the present situation, but having only hope and not doing anything in that direction is not the thing that we should do. Also, I want to talk about another categorization: positive hope and negative hope. If we are having a positive hope, we can achieve success in our life, but we are having negative hope, like someone is going to die and he's hoping someone is having any disease and he's hoping that he's gonna die soon, then he will definitely gonna die soon. But if he possesses a very good thought of having no, I will fight with this current situation and I will win, then that thing is good. So I think we all should have you all should have got some points in this topic. I invite you all to this discussion. Thank you.
Yeah, Kishle.
Yes, good morning, good evening, everyone. I am so glad that I have got an opportunity to introduce this topic for the group discussion. So the topic given for today is hope is a very beautiful thing, and I think we should talk about we should talk about this topic in GD in two different ways. Whether what gives us hope in life, like faith in God or following the religion or following various festivals, and how we get hope in life. And also, we would like to talk about what is the importance of hope in life. Suppose what will happen to us in life if we don't have hope, if we have no we have no relatives and we have no religion and we have don't aspire anything for in future, and then in the absence of without hope, how will life go on? And definitely we will talk about these dimensions and it will be very beneficial for us to talk about this. So I open this discussion.
Yeah, Priyal.
Everyone.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Priyal, and the topic that we've been given today is hope is a very beautiful thing. And I totally agree with this topic, and the topic itself is quite beautiful. Uh, I think human life is divided into some phases like childhood, teenage, adulthood, and old age. And throughout our lives, we go across various moods and various phases. For example, happiness and sadness. Now, in happiness, all the moments of life are very memorable, everyone is enjoying. But in the moments of despair and sadness, the survival becomes very difficult. And there comes the concept of hope. I would divide hope into two broad categories. One would be hope associated with God or religion. Other would be hope associated with destiny. This would include destiny, time, future technologies. So, God and religion, talking of that, Bhagwan sab acha kare. This is a very popular phrase which shows hope dependent on God. Second would be hope dependent on destiny, that time will give us the answers and technology will give us the answers. Like in COVID times, we are dependent on ki we will find a cure very soon. So that is hope related with destiny. Now, what to expect out of hope? Hope lets you embrace your current situation, that okay, I am in this situation, but hope must also help you to propel out of that situation, to move forward and to get out of that. So hope must contain these two elements. And with this, I would like to pass on the discussion. Thank you.
Ria.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my views on such an optimistic and beautiful topic. That is, hope is a beautiful thing. So, hope is basically the essence of everybody's life. Many of us could not live even if we don't have hope inside, deep inside the heart. As we all know that life is very unpredictable. Sometimes it is hard. We face sometimes we face such a misfortune. In such situations, the only thing we have in our life is optimism and hope. In the various phases of life, this particular hope can be described differently. Like when a child, is in his basically early stage, so the meaning of hope in his life is something different than a student who is reading or who is studying. So the meaning of hope in his or her life is something different, and that goes on and on in several stages of life. No doubt that life is basically war zone, but if we see, it's not too bad either. So with these thoughts, I would like to open the conversation. So, so
Yeah, Ram, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ram Krishan Yadav, and I am glad to start our discussion on GD topic, that is, hope is a beautiful thing. In my opinion, this topic is of philosophical and generic topic, and I totally agree with this topic. Like at the starting of our preparation for the GATE exam, we have hope that we will score good score in GATE and get a PSU job. And right now, after achieving the good score, now we are hoping in getting a PSU job. So hope is never-ending process in our whole journey. After achieving one thing, we start again hoping that we will get the next thing. So with this, I want to open the house for discussion.
Okay, so I think now we have all participated in the first round, and now we go to the second round where you have to talk among yourself. You have to discuss about the topic. It's a beautiful topic, as we know. So I expect some kind of energetic participation from your side, where we really analyze this topic and we come out with some kind of message for us also and for others also. So let's start discussing this topic, and I expect a smooth discussion from your side. So please go ahead.
Friends, I
So
would
let
like
us
to
take an
initiate the
example of a
discussion.
farmer.
Guys, most of
So
us
in
have
this
mentioned
case,
the negative
we
hope in
have
our
a
introductions. So guys, what can we do? See, because hope is inevitable. Hope cannot be, minimized. So what can we do that this hope doesn't become a negative hope?
So first of all, I will say that hope should be realistic. It is not that positive doesn't mean that it should not be realistic. It should be realistic and positive. So I will say that with an example of a farmer, suppose there is a drought period and there is no rain. So there is a chance that there will not be any proper production in this year. So if there are two farmers and one is with a positive attitude, he hopes that at least I should plow the field, and let's hope that even in case of rain doesn't come, I can use a certain method, certain technology, and get some products. But if a farmer is there who doesn't have a proper attitude, he is with a negative hope, and he will say, if there is the prediction that there will not be any rain, so why to spend my time in this? So later I will sleep. So in this case, his future will be doomed. So hope
Yes, I would.
depends
I
to the
truly
consequences.
agree
Thing is,
with my fellow
we should
participants,
have
and
some
I
hope, and we
personally
should
also feel
work for that thing also. We should work
yes,
to
and I
achieve that thing.
exactly.
Basically, if we have a
If we
positive
are
hope,
hoping
we
for
will be
something, and
energized
if we are
always.
just
That I
Totally
want
agree
to
with you,
achieve
Kiran.
it.
I
totally
think
Yes,
I think
I
hope must
agree
always
with
be associated
Kiran.
with
I agree
efforts.
with
Hope alone cannot do anything, but combined with
yes.
efforts, it
Yes,
can
yes,
bring
yes.
the
Even I
happiness.
feel
I
the
want to
same
give an
that
example that
just
in
wishing
our
for
college,
something to
practically
happen
acting
is
accordingly what we hope is the best thing to do along with hope.
yes.
Actually,
yes.
hope
I want to give
drives
a
our efforts.
practical example in this, that in our college, when we were in the first year, we start a Jyoth Foundation with the aim that we will help our orphan children that live in our nearby colleges. So we start with 5 people, but after that, when other students see us that we are helping the orphan children, so they also join, and now the whole hostel every year give the foods, the clothes to the orphan children, and also in a month we always go there and we play with the orphan children
Yes,
and
I
celebrate with them.
I truly feel like I truly agree that hope not only gives you the inertia to do something, but it also motivates other people, which actually sees you that how you are working in the positive direction. But it's simply, but as one of my friends said that just wishing and hoping something is not something to happen. Hope is
Yes, I would
important because
totally like to agree
hope
with her
involves
that
the will to
positive.
get there and different paths for you to take. So like hope should be basically something that is realistic, just and you are willing to work in that area. Just sitting and hoping
Yes,
is basically not something what you should and what
Yes,
one
I
should
agree
Yes,
with
also
my
in
friend
the
Ria.
second COVID
But
wave,
In
I
the
would like
question
to differ
what my
slightly in
friend
that
asked in
point,
the introduction,
that the
that
hope
yes,
always
the
need
hope,
not be
what is the
realistic.
source of
Like
hope?
the hope
Hope
is
should
should
be
be like
from the
the
God, or it is
overachievable
from
thing.
religion,
It's
or
like
it
a
is from
dream. It
anything
should be an
else.
overachievable
The
thing, and
basis
we
of
should work
hope,
hard. Then only we should work hard, and we try to achieve that overachievable thing.
yes,
If we have a higher
yes,
hope,
I would like. Yes, I would
yes,
like
like in
to.
second
there
I
is
would
wave,
like
some
we
to agree
use
with
we use
everyone
the
that
At the
social
same
media
time, I want to
very
add a
usefully,
point
like
that
Twitter,
having
my
too much
to
hope
know
and
that
being
positive
too
who is
much
in
attitude,
need, and
positive
everyone is
optimistic at
coming
the
out
same
there to
time
help them.
can
right?
harm us.
A
Guys, I
positive
think I would
attitude,
like to bring light here
a
to the
positive
current
attitude,
situation
a
of
positive
pandemic, where
attitude, a
majority
positive
of the
attitude
people in the
can do
nation are
wonders in
very
life. A
hopeless.
smile can
So what
change
do you think
everything,
can
and it
we
can
do
help
at individual
it
level
can
to
help
instill
change
hope
how
in the
others
people?
perceive our
No,
personality. I would like to talk about the importance of positive attitude in bringing hope in life. And I would like to emphasize that as someone just said that the religion gives us hope in life, I would like to emphasize that the belief in God, is a very great thing in life, and it gives us hope. For example, it is very rightly said in the Holy Bible that a man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Because a man wants to celebrate the festival, he gets leave to will. As we have seen that in hospital, many patients die just because they don't have will to live. By
Okay, so
following the religion,
I don't
Very
agree
true,
with
very
my
true.
friend
Priya
that
Very
yes,
actually
true.
asked
Want
patients
to add a point
don't
here.
want to
actually
leave.
asked
But
one question here
Everyone
that
wants to
how
leave
we
in
can
this thing,
develop
in
hope
this
in the
world.
times of such, like as Priyal asked this one question, that how we can bring back hope in the life in our lives in such a pandemic situation.
Yes, in
So
this pandemic
we
case,
can
there are many
just,
psychologists
yes,
who are
we
advising
can,
people to have hope
yes.
because in this case, they don't have proper facilities. Even relatives are not
Yes,
supporting
and
the
I personally
isolation.
believe that
So hope should
acknowledging
be.
the reality that there is always a hope, and we can acknowledge the reality that what is going on in our lives. It is the main it is the main way, so that if we'll be ignorant of the reality that everything is fine, so that is something
But
unrealistic. So we
Ria,
first have to acknowledge
don't you think that hope was always associated with celebrations or with gatherings or with people around you? Now that you don't have people around you, and even in the hospitals, you're not allowed to meet with your relatives, the situation is really hopeless. So
But
my question was,
there
Yes,
what can
there
we
are
do?
methods
doctors
to
also
get this.
helping them to encourage them and to
Yes.
take care of themselves so that they can
So
quickly
in
heal
this
up
case,
and
one
go
step
home
will
and
be
meet their
there
family.
because
So
there
there is
are
always an hope
I,
inside us.
motivational
yes,
speakers are
so
there who can instill hope because of
Right.
their influence. Yes,
Yeah.
it can. We can also feel in our life. There are motivational speakers. Even in there are
exactly.
situation when we are also in depression in our life, and we
Yes.
hear to
Yes,
someone, and we
I
get
truly
energized to
agree
do this.
to Hitesh,
Yes,
and
yes,
I
yes. I
Yes, I think
personally
totally agree
YouTube
with
has
you.
a
actually
very
face
big
this
In this
thing
contribution in
pandemic
this
that,
thing.
situation, many
yeah,
people are hopeless, and every system should do something to. I think every one of us can do. Some of our friends may have some difficult situation, and they may be hopeless and all. So we
yes,
can
yes,
infuse the
I
and
think
hope
on
in
the
them.
individual
and
level,
yes,
we
as
must all
I
check
think
on our
I think
relatives often. Maybe we can check on our friends often.
Yes,
Maybe
yes,
just
yes.
give them a
Yes,
call,
yes.
right?
I
yes,
think
and
at the
I
same
truly
time,
agree to
Priyal,
this,
I
and
think
I
that
personally
self
feel that
motivation,
there is
self
only one way,
optimism is
there is
also
only
the
one way
solution,
to
or
instill that
what your
hope
question is.
Yes.
between our loved ones, and
I
that
would
is
like to disagree with
sharing hope.
Priyal here that he says that in hospitals the situation is very hopeless. I would simply like to emphasize that only if you let them know, if you even call and you let them know, the relatives let them know that we feel for them, we care for them, that there are people who are
Yes,
there
but
to look
that's
after
not
them in
actually
No,
their
no, no,
good
no,
happening.
times,
no,
difficult
no.
Yeah,
That's
Kishle,
not
Kishle,
actually happening.
that's not the scenario
So
today. The
no,
situation
but
is
we
really
can,
hopeless, and that is the
we
But
can,
fact.
I
at the
personally
same
feel
time,
that we
Priyal,
can be
I
quite
I would
going
like
back.
optimistic
to
this,
bring in knowledge of you
and
that in
we
So
can
what
hospitals,
think
my
that we can
many
friend
share
said
our
doctors,
regarding
even
this
nurses
is
are
what is the basis of hope?
their
Like
Kishle,
best
one
to
is saying
keep a
that
hope
there is
in the
self-optimism,
patients.
and
By
is there any
you
hope based on the
example,
basis
for
of
example,
God
you
or
can
some
see the
faith?
many dance
yes,
videos, many entertaining videos created in the
yes,
hospitals.
right.
So
Yes, I
these
want
are
to
The
add in this
something
educational
that
activities in
positive
the
during
thing
COVID,
hospital.
during
that
And
second
coming out
COVID
of
wave,
our
we have
to
used
education.
contradict the
social media
point given
very
by Kishle,
usefully.
I would like to
That
say
the
that
people
people
who
who
in
are
need
going to the
give.
hospital are not coming back. In fact, the people who are treating themselves at home are getting better.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I would like to
Yeah,
add
we
one
also
that's
point
a
that
use
in
social
some
media
positive
hospitals and
platform
psychological
all,
effect
we
very
have seen some
Right,
associated
right,
with
right.
specialized
in
this.
room
in this
where
Psychological
we
effect.
can go
Yes.
there and we can pray inside the hospital. Some space will be there, some God's photos will be placed
Yes.
inside the hospital and all. Such
yeah.
Very
things
true.
are
So
Yes.
giving us
we
hope,
That can
and
be
we
personally
done.
can
think
go
that
It
how
inside
depends.
can
It
we
hospital.
depends
share
on
our hope
which
with
thing
our
you
loved ones.
have
I,
faith
So
on
this
it.
is one of
I
the
think
major thing that we
I
can
think
It,
hope
it,
the
it
in.
most
doesn't
beautiful
matter.
thing that hope gives us is strength. Strength to fight our current situation. If we are battling any problem, then I think hope gives us that strength.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
I
From
would
I'm
like to
saying
give an
that
example, a very beautiful example in this situation. I would like to point out the situation we used to face in our exams when we have only 2 to 3 minutes to solve our question and 1 minute goes 1 minute goes in reading the question only. So if we lose hope, but after trying just for 30 seconds, we can see that question can be solved in just one line.
Yes, I
Yes.
totally agree to
Yeah,
this.
so,
And
but
I
but it doesn't happen
yeah,
always.
like if
So
we
my
take,
question is
take the
now,
example
if
of
someone
our
is with a
personal life,
person with negative
being a
attitude,
student,
but
we
how to
actually
change that
we actually
negative
hope for a
hope
lot
into
of things.
positive hope? Is
Like
there any
when I
solution
was
for any of my friend?
yeah,
Is there
so
any solution
when I
that
was actually
Yes.
in the
someone
early
with a
year of
negative
my
hope, how to
BTech,
convert
so
it into
I was
positive hope?
hoping that I'll
Right. I
do
think,
yeah.
Hitesh, what we can do here is we cannot change the entire mindset of the person, but at least we can change their perspective over a few things in life. What we can do is have an individual influence over that person. Maybe he's your friend. Maybe you can have a heart-to-heart conversation. Tell him to hope positive in order to achieve good in life.
I have good
like
experience
to
for
add
that.
on
That
that I was experiencing
meditation always helps
hopelessness in
in
my life during this
getting you
COVID pandemic
positive
situation and all.
mind
So I would
and
like to
positive
share
thoughts.
my experience that how my friends and all helped me to overcome this hopeless situation. So I am in my home for last 1.5 year. I am working from home. So in 1.5 year I'm working here, and I was writing the GATE exam also. So in meantime, sometimes I was hopeless, and some of my friends will call me. Usually I will call, or they will call me, and they will say, what is the extreme case if I didn't get the GATE? What is the extreme case? What will happen? Then they will convince me. If that happens, then there is one other door is there for you. So like that, my friends were all helping me in order to achieve this goal GATE, and also
Yes. Yes.
Yes, possibilities
One
are there.
example that I
One
can
will be
So I think,
hopeful in
Kiran,
life.
from your
here is
example,
that
I think we
Find
can
out what
conclude
are the
is
different
hope must
possibilities
we
also
all
be
are
in
here
associated with
life.
plan B.
one
Hope must
example
also
that
be
I can
associated
think
with
of
plan
is
B.
that I
Yeah,
guess
I agree
we all
with you.
we all
Associated with
participant
plan B, I
here
agree
are
with
someone is 2019 pass out, someone is 2020 pass out, someone is even 2017 pass out. So the main point is that we are having a hope that one day we are gonna
Yes,
succeed in our life.
Yes,
yes, I
enough.
truly agree.
Yes.
And for example, I want to add something here. Like when we were in the early days of our college, you must all have felt this, that we always hope to pass an exam. So there was one thing always attached to it, that we did our necessary amount of work that is related to that, and we did everything that we can do to we were persistently working in that area so that we can fulfill our hope and we can fulfill our dreams. So we always hope to
But
get
Ria, I have
this.
also seen students who hoped that they will pass and then they didn't study and then they failed.
Yeah,
So I
so
think hope
that
must
is-
always
and
be realistic.
that is what my
Hope must
point
be
here
realistic.
is,
It
Priyal.
willpower.
That is what my point here is, that
Yes.
sometimes like hoping, just hoping and sitting ideal is not that is gonna help you. That
Right.
is
So we need
We
hard work.
Actually, we should
willpower
have
also
to
put in
helps
effort.
us.
give
forward
the
in
necessary
the
amount
direction
of
of our
I should
energy
know
that
what is
you
my present condition, and based on that, I should hope. What is my
Yes,
ability
exactly.
now, and what are the possible resources I have? Based on that, my hope should be there.
Yes.
Then I
Yes,
will
yes,
be
yes.
For
into
example,
exactly
if I am
self
seeking,
analysis
for
is very
example,
much
if I am
important.
seeking
Self-analysis
a
and
job in the
embracing where
software,
you are. I
yeah.
think these are the two
Yeah,
things which are
correct.
important
Yes,
before you hope.
yeah, and I want to add here that for example, if I'm a graduate and I don't have a proper skill set, and then I am like hoping that I'll get placed in Google. So that is not the scenario. If you are hoping something very unrealistic and you don't have that skill set and you just have hope, so you personally first you have to acquire those skills, and then you have to work in that area, and then you will get the thing that you are hoping for. So you have to put your
yeah.
proper amount of energy in that area, then only you are able to achieve that goal, and you are able to accomplish that hope. So that is
So
the point
till
here.
now we have discussed only about personal hopes, and we can see that all the nations, even globally also, every like United Nations, everyone has a hope. And
Yes,
they-
when
they have-
Israel and America wants our medicines, we
Okay, so
India
I think we
always
can
help
conclude
them.
now. So let's conclude now. Hitesh, from your side.
So thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to conclude. So in this discussion, we have seen that the hope has different aspects, like it is related to attitude. One is positive and negative. So when hope is associated with negative attitude, it may de-energize us to do certain proper actions. When hope is associated with positive attitude, it will drive us to put our effort and to reach success. And another thing is, hope should be realistic, and it should depend on what is our present scenario and what are the resources available to us. And when we utilize all these things, then we can reach success. And last thing, what we said, that the hope can be not only it is related to personal level, it can be extended to all the global level also.
So Kiran, go ahead.
Friends, I'm taking the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Today we had a good discussion about the topic, and we discussed many aspects of this topic. And I feel like many good points came up during this discussion. We all agree with that hope alone cannot make us achieve anything. Like hope, we should give our effort also in order to achieve the hope. And that Priyal told that the hope is associated with a plan B also. So there should be some plan B that will help us to hope for and all. And Ria told, sorry. Okay, sir, this is all I would like to.
Okay, Deepak.
Oh, okay, friends. Thank you. I take the opportunity to conclude here. I think the whole discussion was a very healthy discussion, and we could reach to some consensus. I think one point that we all agree that exactly hope is a really beautiful thing, but having only hope is not the only thing that we should possess. We should act accordingly in the direction of our hope to achieve anything. And secondly, the hope should be realistic, something which is achievable and not something that is beyond our scope. We also talked about the pandemic situation, at how we were having hope to we were having hope that we kabhi situation से हम उबर पाएंगे या नहीं. And even we talked about the different dimensions of hope, that hope can't be individual only, it can have some global perspective. One of our friends told about the example of Japan and America. And so yeah, thank you.
Okay, Ishle.
Yes, I would like to thank everyone for giving me the opportunity to conclude. I would like to, we have had a very good discussion, and we have some good points put, like by Priyal, that the hope should be positive and negative, it should not be negative, and that the situation of pandemic is very hopeless. And Deepak and Ria, and they have said that the hope should be realistic and we should act accordingly to our hopes. And Kiran also said that with the hopes we should have a proper plan B also. And also in the end we had a point raised that there should be global perspective related to hope also.
Okay,
Thank you.
Priyal.
So I think, guys, we all had a very fruitful discussion. And to sum up all that we have discussed, we have all agreed that hope is a beautiful thing, only if it is done right. So hoping is a process which we have to do it rightly to recognize its beauty. So I think hope, first we have talked about that hope should be combined with efforts and hard work to achieve where you want to be. Secondly, you must have a self-analysis and you have to embrace where you are and then hope. Your hope should be realistic. At the same time, you should have something to fall back on. And then we talked about the current scenario, pandemic scene, which is very hopeless because of isolation and people not getting to meet each other and job losses and monetary constraints. And then we talked about how we can give our individual contribution into instilling hope in others. We can call our relatives, we can have heart-to-heart conversations with our friends. And these were the methods to instill hope in others. And all in all, hope is a very beautiful thing, only if we do it rightly. So this was all from my side, and thank you.
Ria.
Thank you, everyone. We had a very insightful discussion indeed, and we all actually agree to this point that hope is really a very beautiful thing, and we all hope a lot. So we came up to a lot of points in this discussion. Is that hope is sometimes realistic, sometimes it is unrealistic, sometimes it leads to positive paths, sometimes it is negative also. And as Priyal said, that hope is related to God and destiny sometimes. And also, hope is not something personal. That is not like limited to a personal growth. It can be related to a growth of a community, a growth of a country, and several others. We have seen how how the situation of pandemic actually affected the life, and how we are still hoping that we'll get over it. So these were the points that we actually focused upon. So with concluding, I like to be quite philosophical, and I like to say that as hope is the essence of hope is always very, so it is basically an inspiration to live the best way that we can. So we always have to hope strong, we have to be strong, and we have to fulfill our hope. Thank you.
Ram?
Okay, everyone, I take this opportunity to conclude our discussion. Friends, we have a good discussion and we reached to our consensus. And some of the points that we discussed during like first, Jyot Foundation for Orphan Children. Second, during COVID, during second wave of COVID, using of social media in the hope that we will get help from others. Third, motivating patient by entertaining them, or by posting quotes, or by talking with their relatives, neighbor on the phone call, that motivate him to that he will get better. Third, our common life example, that preparation of the GATE exam, that we will hope we will get some good PSU job. And fifth, the example of during COVID, starting of the COVID, America and Israel want it in hope that that India will send them medicine, and India also sent the medicine and help and show the help gesture. And at last, I want to say that hope will not help you in success, but it will motivate you to reach your destiny. Thank you.
Is anybody left? Kiran? You've done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me now give you the feedback. See, this was a philosophical topic, right? And be ready for such philosophical topics. So a couple of lines are going to be same, common. Friend, my name is Kiran and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. The topic for discussion is hope is a beautiful thing. I fully agree with the statement. Hope indeed is a beautiful thing. Friends, let me give some kind of direction or dimension for the discussion. Because the topic is so generic and philosophical, everybody would like to contribute into this and give their own points. So I believe that we should discuss it into these broad domains. So now different dimensions can be given. I understand this was a philosophical topic. You people could give dimension categories to it, but I'll say that you could not reach the exact categories which this topic required for discussion. If I talk about Kiran, then Kiran said, okay, I agree that COVID situation is there and hope is required during COVID situation. But Kiran could not give any dimension to this discussion. Later on, he gave example of his friend and all. And I tell you, always you listen to this GD also. Whenever you give some example, people will listen. Like Ram was at one point of time giving example and everybody was listening. Why? Because interrupting somebody giving example and interruption into that is supposed to be bad, is not good, against the etiquettes. There's the reason you listen to the examples. So he gave the example, Ram, and kept on saying that, and you were listening. I think it was orphanage related to some example Ram was giving. So try to give examples wherever possible. Try to give example. That is another thing. Hitesh said it's a philosophical topic, and he said he agrees to this. And then he gave classification into positive and negative hope. So actually, there's nothing like negative hope. Attitude can be positive and negative, but hope is not negative. So I will give you the dimension of that, what actually Hitesh thought, though his thinking was in right direction, but that was not the negative, that was not positive or negative. Then Deepak said, okay, I agree to the statement, and he said having hope and only having hope does not matter. I mean, hope should be supported with some kind of effort also. That is what Deepak said, but this was not a good classification either. Kishle said, okay, what gives hope? We should talk about that and importance of hope. So Kishle could give the dimension that, okay, let's discuss in this entire topic in two dimension. One is what is the importance of hope, and second is how to get hope. I think that looks like okay dimension. That let's discuss, friends. Why do we need hope? Number one, and how do we get then hope? These are the two things. So if you convince me, hope is a beautiful thing. Why? Arey, hope is a good thing. Keep hope. This will give you positivity. You will put effort. If you will put effort, you will get something. Now tell me how to get hope. How to get hope is think positive, read the religious scriptures, talk to the positive people. तो किशले ने सोचा सही डायरेक्शन में उसने सोच लिया था, डायमेंशन किया जा सकता है, लेकिन किशले बोल नहीं पाया. किशले थोड़ा सा लो एनर्जी लेवल आदमी है, वो बात नहीं कर रहा ज्यादा, वो एनर्जी लेवल नहीं लेके आया, so he could not talk much about that, but dimension was good. Priyal said, okay, God, destiny. Priyal could not find that dimension. God and destiny, वो दोनों ही hypothetical चीजें हो गई. Priyal, neither I know God nor I know destiny. So that जो दो आपने classification की है, वो समझ नहीं आया कि वो classification में जाएं कैसे आगे. God के ऊपर क्या बात करें और destiny के ऊपर क्या बात करें. We could not understand, and in fact both are on the same side. What I understand. Then he said hard work. This okay. So Priyal then participated in the body part also, and later on he concluded. But yes, a dimension part was missing. Now Ria said, okay, children and then student. Ria, I think she was talking about some classification on the basis of the age. कि बच्चों में और बड़ों में hope का categorization अलग हो जाता है. But again, that dimension I could not understand much. And then she was saying that wishing again could not be the alone thing in hope. I mean, you should not only wish, you should put effort also. So something you need to make happen. Only hope se kaam nahi chalta. Ram gave the example of PSU, and he said that we are hoping that we'll get into PSU, so hope is a good thing. So this is all you people said. Now let me tell you, how we could have categorized it. Friends, let's discuss this entire topic in two dimensions. Number one, hope can be categorized into two parts: rational hope, irrational hope. Hope based upon hope based upon metaphysical concept, irrationality, something which you talk about God, inner inside you, hope against hope. These English phrases are there: hope against hope. When you talk to some doctor who knows that patient is going to die, doctor never say he is going to die. He says, "Upar wala hai. Let's hope against hope." There can be miracle, hope against hope, God, X factor, third power, supernatural power, metaphysical thing. These are the things which are beyond our control. We cannot see it. So that is called hope based upon irrational logics, concepts, metaphysical science. As a science graduate, I will call it metaphysical concept. Metaphysical, matlab beyond the science, physics rule. If the way we say, okay, मेरा गेट स्कोर, अगर मैं मेहनत ज्यादा करूंगा मेरा गेट स्कोर ज्यादा आएगा, ये तो रैशनैलिटी है. और गेट स्कोर ज्यादा आएगा मेरी सिलेक्शन हो जाएगी, ये रैशनैलिटी है. एंड दूसरा कंसेप्ट क्या है, मैं मेहनत नहीं करूंगा फिर भी मेरा गेट स्कोर ज्यादा आ जाएगा. मेरे को भगवान पे पूरा विश्वास है कि अगर एक भी दिन नहीं पढ़ूंगा तो भगवान इज ऑन माई साइड, गॉड इज ऑन माई साइड, एंड आई विल गेट रैंक 1. ये एक मेटाफिजिकल कंसेप्ट है. अब hope can be categorized into these two parts: metaphysical concept and rationality concept. Now, the confidence which comes with your efforts. When you say, okay, I'm hopeful this year I will get it, I'm hopeful this year I will get through, that hope is based upon your strong commitments, your efforts, your hard work. That is based upon that. Now, despite of hard work also, you may get it, you may not get it, but the hope based upon your effort is a rationality concept, is basically logical concept. So hope based upon rationality. कॉन्फिडेंस जो आता है, अब तुम 10 जीडी करोगे तो तुम्हें जीडी में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. ऐसे आपको कैसा लगता है, होप है तुम्हें, जीडी निकाल लोगे, हाँ सर निकाल लेंगे, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. वो रैशनैलिटी कंसेप्ट है क्योंकि आपने मेहनत किया है. दूसरा इरेशनैलिटी कंसेप्ट है जो मैंने आपको बताया. नो, वेदर इरेशनल होप और आई एम इरेशनली होपफुल फेलो. समटाइम यू लिसन सम पीपल सेइंग आई एम इरेशनली होपफुल. कोई भी सिचुएशन आ जाए मैं होपफुली रहता हूँ, वो इरेशनली होपफुल चीज भी बुरी नहीं है, दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड थिंग, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इट हेल्प्स यू टू मूव इन अ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन। वो आपका इरेशनल होपफुल होना वो क्या चीज दिखाता है, मे बी बिकॉज पास्ट में थिंग्स हैव मूव्ड पॉजिटिवली फॉर यू, or maybe you have strong belief on destiny or strong belief on supernatural power, वो भी सही है। So it is the combination of the both which helps human being to progress forward. Single thing will not help. Single thing will not help. Sometimes you have to be irrationally hopeful. Why? Because life cannot sustain otherwise. You know, doctor has said no, patient is going to die, he will not survive. At that time you should not lose hope, because if you lose hope, though all odds are against you, all odds are against you, doctor has said he's going to die, if you lose hope, you will not be in position to put effort. And then maybe because there is a X factor, maybe the factor which is unknown to you can save your patient, you never know that. In that situation being irrationally hopeful is a good thing. So भाई hope दो तरह की होती है, एक irrational होती है, एक rational होती है। Rational hope आपके हाथ में होती है, वो आपके मेहनत से होती है, जितनी मेहनत करोगे लाइफ में उतना ग्रो करोगे, वो रैशनल कंसेप्ट है, वो तुम्हें बिलीव करना पड़ेगा, वो मेहनत से आता है। इरेशनल होप थर्ड फैक्टर है, वो मेटाफिजिकल कंसेप्ट है, नोबडी नोज दैट, मे बी यू डोंट नो द थिंग्स, यू नीड टू बी होपफुल, यू नीड टू बी होपफुल इन दैट सिचुएशन आल्सो, सो दैट द ह्यूमन बीइंग कीप्स प्रोग्रेसिंग फॉरवर्ड। तो एक तो क्लासिफिकेशन ये था जो रैशनैलिटी और इरेशनैलिटी के बेस पे हम लोग कर सकते थे। एंड दूसरा कंसेप्ट जो पिछले ने दिया था कि होप का एडवांटेज क्या है एंड होप हमने करनी लानी कहां से है, होप वो हमारा दूसरा कंसेप्ट है। तो ऐसा कोई क्लासिफिकेशन आप दे सकते थे। नाउ आई टेल यू, यू आर टू गिव एग्जांपल्स, थिंक क्रिएटिवली, और तुम क्रिएटिव सोचना स्टार्ट कर दोगे तो एग्जांपल आ भी जाएंगे। I read couple of years back when I was in your age and we used to write a lot of exams and things used not to work or they used to work or something. तो जब भी कोई एग्जाम होता है तो you may get it, you may not get it. जब एग्जाम नहीं होता है तो आप आके घर में आके you can win पढ़ते हो। वो शिव खेरा की बुक पढ़ते थे हम लोग सारे। You know, I remember once there was a civil services exam and preliminary paper of public administration was disastrous. Nothing which we read was in the exam. So I remember IIT Delhi में ज्वालामुखी hostel, we were 5-6 students, we came back and in the evening everybody was reading You Can Win. So that is how it goes, you know, you start getting energy from somewhere कि अब क्या करें यार, उसमें क्या करें। उस टाइम पे एक वहां पे एक स्टोरी आता था होप के ऊपर, and story was like this, that there were couple of candles, there are 3-4 candles, they were all burning, candles जल रही थी और फिर the wind blows, हवा चली तो पहले एक कैंडल बुझ गई, फिर दूसरी कैंडल बुझ गई, फिर तीसरी कैंडल बुझ गई, और एक कैंडल ऐसी थी जो फड़फड़ाती रही, बुझी नहीं, चलती रही, थोड़ा डिम मारती रही वो। देन अ पर्सन गोज क्लोज टू द कैंडल्स, पहली कैंडल देखा जो बुझ गई थी, दैट वाज हार्ड वर्क खत्म हो गया तुम्हारा, बहुत मेहनत की, अब मेहनत से कुछ नहीं मिला, ओवर। फिर दूसरी कैंडल में गए एंथुजियाज्म, वो भी खत्म हो गया, अब नहीं यार, अब एंथुजियाज्म खत्म हो गया, आई एम डेड मैन नाउ। तीसरा गया वो कॉन्फिडेंस था तुम्हारा, वो भी शटर हो गया, वो भी खत्म। जो चौथी थी तुम्हारी कैंडल जो फड़फड़ा रही थी, वो होप थी। अभी होप को तुमने पूछा भी तेरे को क्या हुआ, तू क्यों मरी क्यों नहीं, बोलते मैं कभी नहीं मरती, मैं फड़फड़ाती रहती हूँ। और मेरे को फिर वो बोलती, जब आदमी वापिस चला तो वो होप उसको बोलती कि ये ले मेरे को पकड़ और ये जो बाकी मर गए हैं ना इनके साथ लगा दे, ऑटोमेटिकली दिस थिंग्स विल कम बैक। सो एंड एक्चुअली में लाइफ में ऐसा होता है, जब सब सारी कैंडल्स बुझ जाए तुम लोगों की, तो तुम्हारे अंदर जो एक होप वाली कैंडल होगी ना, वो फड़फड़ाती रहेगी, उसको लेके तुम बाकी सब जला लो। दैट इज व्हाट ह्यूमन बीइंग इज। अब यू नीड टू गिव सम काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल, सम काइंड ऑफ कोटेशन, दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू गिव। सो ऐसा आपको उसको एक एग्जांपल्स वगैरह कोट करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस वाज द डायमेंशन एंड यू कैन गिव एग्जांपल फ्रॉम योर ओन लाइफ आल्सो, दैट ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी गिव यू एग्जांपल फ्रॉम माय ओन लाइफ। देयर वर मोमेंट्स व्हेन I was not at all prepared for the exam, for viva, for interview, but I retained my hope. Okay, let's see, whatever I know, I'm hopeful that I can make it through. That hope was irrational. तुमने पढ़ाई नहीं की तो तुम्हारा वाइवा कैसे अच्छा हो जाएगा, लेकिन तुमने होप किया कि ठीक है यार, let's go and face the situation. That hope gave you confidence. That confidence came on your face. Your face showed calmness and confidence. Professor saw you. He liked your confidence. He asked very basic question from you. You could not answer, but he liked your confidence. and he passed you in the viva. अब मेरे को बताओ what saved you? Your face. And what saved your face? Your confidence. From where confidence came? From hope. And from where hope came? That is irrational concept. Irrational concept. So both are useful. Both concepts are good. This is how these things move. तो आपको अपना एग्जांपल दे दो, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कैंडल्स का एग्जांपल लगाओ, अगर याद आता है तो लगाओ, नहीं याद आता है तो अपना एग्जांपल दे दो लाइफ का, लोग सुनेंगे उसको एग्जांपल। और जब एग्जांपल दो जीडी के अंदर तो हिंदी इंग्लिश भूल जाना, पैशन के साथ एग्जांपल देना, तभी लोग सुनेंगे। अगर तुम वहां अब फड़फड़ाने को यार क्या बोलेंगे अंग्रेजी में, वो तो वर्ड ही फड़फड़ाना है यार, वो वैसे ही साउंड अच्छा करेगा, तो तुम हिंदी में बोल दो, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, लेकिन पैशन के साथ बोलना, सो दैट एवरीबॉडी इज लिसनिंग टू योर एग्जांपल and they appreciate it. This is how it has to be. Baki, I think it was a philosophical topic, and I tell you once again, start enjoying the discussion. If you start enjoying the discussion, you will participate with more energy. You will talk, you will move your hands, you will move your eyes, you will talk with more energy, and that energy itself will make you basically get good score in the group discussion. Don't be much formal sitting like GD is going on. Don't think that way. Give your energy. Obviously you have to be formal in your words and formal in your speech, but give energy. With energy you should participate so that you get good score in that. और वही confidence observer देख रहा होता है कि इस लड़के में confidence है, ये सबको बता सकता है. Are others listening to him? Is he in position to convince others? Are others listening to him, and is he good orator, good speaker? And oratory or speech is not language phenomena, it is basically expression phenomena. How do you express yourself? That is how it has to. So this was the topic, and I believe you have to handle this situation in this way. I believe your people have started taking the dimensions now. Dimensions आपने find out करना start किया है, वो with practice आएगा. With practice आएगा, become more creative. I am of the opinion that creativity comes with effort again. जैसे आप सोचना start करोगे तो creativity automatically आती है. जब सोचना start करोगे कि introduction में कोई dimension ढूंढनी है, तो creativity भी आएगी, तो dimension भी तुम्हें मिलेगा. और अकॉर्डिंगली जितना तुम पार्टिसिपेट करोगे, यू विल कीप ऑन बिकमिंग परफेक्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डोमेन. फाइन. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वाज. आई थिंक यू स्पोक, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, बट डायमेंशन आप लोग नहीं बता पाए, उसका डायमेंशन नहीं उठाया था आप लोगों ने. नो एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क मी?
सर इंट्रोडक्शन में अगर हम मतलब डायमेंशन नहीं दे पा रहे या समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या बोलना है, तो सर बस वो टॉपिक को थोड़ा इंट्रोड्यूस या एक कोई एग्जांपल देके, मतलब जैसे मैंने पीएसयू का एग्जांपल देके निकल गया था वैसे कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल. So you understand one thing, if you have group discussion, 10 group discussion here, you will not fail in the group discussion. I can tell you that honestly. Failure वाला situation नहीं आएगा. लेकिन ये है कि 10 group discussion करने के बाद आपने सीखा हो. You do self analysis. Like the moment GD is over, you do some kind of self analysis के यार मैंने क्या किया? What did I learn today? How was it? If you do that, nobody can fail you in group discussion. That is sure. What I expect from you is 10 out of 10. What I expect from you is perfection. This has to be like this. This has to be like this. Even if you perform 50% of what I expect, you will pass the GD. Even 50% if you do. I'm asking you to introduce. I'm asking you to participate. I'm asking you to conclude. Let us say you did not do anything except conclusion, but conclusion was wonderful. Even then you will pass the GD. I tell you honestly. So be optimistic and be hopeful and be confident in that matter. It will be like this. But the only thing is learn करो, साथ साथ learn करो, चीजें learn करो. आप इसको निकाल ले जाओगे, वो confidence आना बहुत जरूरी है कि मैं निकाल ले जाऊंगा. GD वाले दिन वो confidence आपको help करेगा, वो confidence आपको help करेगा. And ये बहुत important चीज होती है, you know, बहुत important चीज, वो आपका practice से ही आती है. See, sometime when I deliver the things, you know, I tell people, don't worry, we are the best. And that saying we are the best, nobody can challenge us, nobody, I'm the best. ये चीज आने के लिए ना बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करोगे तब वो चीज आ जाती है कि नहीं आई एम द बेस्ट यार, मेरे को कोई नहीं निकाल सकता, आई एम ओके इन दैट. एंड फिर वो नॉलेज कंसेप्ट नहीं होता, इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू नॉलेज कंसेप्ट, इट इज देन रिलेटेड टू योर कॉन्फिडेंस. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो कॉन्फिडेंस तुम लोगों में आ जाए. नॉलेज में तुम्हें इंक्रीज करवाना भी नहीं चाह रहा हूँ, वो मैंने मेरी कभी ट्राई नहीं है. I never stressed on that thing. I never said कि यार बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ो, मैं तुम्हें नोट्स दे देता हूँ, मैं तुम्हें कॉपियां दे देता हूँ, मैगजीन पढ़ लो. I never said that. I did not even say कि तुम अंग्रेजी में इंप्रूव कर लो अपने आप को. I did not say that also. मैं हमेशा ये कहा कि उस लेवल पे आ जाओ कि तुम्हारे चेहरे से कॉन्फिडेंस दिख जाए, क्योंकि जिस दिन तुम्हारे चेहरे से कॉन्फिडेंस दिख जाएगा उस दिन nobody can defeat you in interview or GD or in life as a whole. I tell you, in life also. So confidence is not a language phenomena कि अंग्रेजी आती है तो कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओगे, नहीं, या नॉलेज बहुत ज्यादा है तो कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओगे, नहीं. कॉन्फिडेंस कुछ और चीज है, वो भी एफर्ट से ही आता है, लेकिन एफर्ट आपको एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में यू हैव टू पुट एंड देन यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट. दैट इज फ्रॉम विद इन, इट्स अ कंसेप्ट फ्रॉम विद इन. सो एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन जीडी, नो प्रियल विल बी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट देन यू बिकॉज ही नोज वो काफी टाइम से कर रहा है, तो उसको कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा वो क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ, वो उसका नॉलेज दैट ही हैज पुट एफर्ट इज गिविंग हिम कॉन्फिडेंस, and that confidence will be reflected on his face, and that face when I see as an observer, as interviewer, I will give him marks. That is how it is, the very straight phenomena. So your own fear should not be reflected on your face. कई बार लोग, मैंने बताया ना कि होप, नेगेटिव होप जो हितेश ने बोला वो क्या होता है, वो बेसिकली तुम्हारी नेगेटिव थिंकिंग है. दैट इज व्हाट आई विल से, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड कि मैं नहीं करूंगा, मेरे से नहीं होगा, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट, वो नेगेटिव थिंकिंग है. वो नेगेटिव थिंकिंग नहीं आने दो आप अपनी लाइफ में. अगर आपने सोचना है तो पॉजिटिव सोच लो, गैस मारना है तो पॉजिटिव की तरफ मारो. अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं यार एक गिलास पड़ा हुआ है, बताओ वो क्या है, भरा हुआ है या खाली है, दूध चाय बनानी है घर में, मेरे को पता नहीं है गिलास में दूध होगा कि नहीं, तो होप ही कर लो यार दूध होगा, एटलीस्ट यू स्पेंड 5 मिनट्स इन पॉजिटिविटी के, नहीं दूध होगा, चाय बना लेंगे. सो यू थिंक पॉजिटिव, एंड इफ यू डू दैट इट बिकम्स पर्सनैलिटी, and that personality is reflected everywhere. You get good relations, you get good things, outcomes, you get positivity in your life. So start doing that, और उसका impact है तुम्हारे इंटरव्यूज के ऊपर. डोंट, बिकॉज फेस पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है ना वो. जैसे आप इंटरव्यू देने बैठते हो, जैसे आप जीटी देने बैठते हो, आप दिमाग में सोचना स्टार्ट कर देते हो, ओ दिस गाइज आर स्पीकिंग सो गुड यार, दे आर वंडरफुल इन कम्युनिकेशन एंड दे आर स्पीकिंग सो वेल, तो मेरा तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है. थिंक इफ यू आर इन अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन वेयर 5 गर्ल्स आर देयर, यू आर द ओनली बॉय, you are dead man, right? They are so good in communication and nobody listen. और आपने जाते ही मन बना लिया कि I am dead man यार, leave it, बोलने की मुंह नहीं खोलना है, let's not even open the mouth, then what will happen? You will not even speak. So don't do that. Be optimistic, be hopeful, and then show that in confidence in your life. Overconfidence नहीं, lack of confidence नहीं, confidence, and that confidence is a good thing actually. वो आ गया तो आप निकाल के ले जाओगे. Learn every day, you learn every day, and life gives you opportunities. और ये चीज ना कहां से पता लगती है कि why I give you this topic was just before the discussion, we started discussion 5 minutes late. I was interviewing a guy, I was interviewing a person who got I think 300 gate score, you know, and he has got at least 10 selections including IIT Hyderabad. तो जब मैं उससे बात कर रहा था तो he was telling me all this. He was telling me he's an irrationally optimistic fellow, irrationally optimistic he is. I said, how you applied this? I said, he said, sir, you told to apply. I said, I told on the YouTube. Sometimes that is my job to tell on YouTube. But why you believed it? He said, I believed it and I applied. That is how it goes. So there are people actually, and from there I got, you know, hope works, and that is how it goes. So you need to be positive. You need to be optimistic and confident. बाकी ये निकल जाएगा, इंटरव्यू भी निकल जाएगा, जीडी भी निकल जाएगा, और things will move. But be confident first. फियर को निकाल दो यार, अभी स्टेज पे फियर निकालो एंड पार्टिसिपेट करना स्टार्ट करो. और बार बार जो आपको बताया जाता है कि डिस्कस करना है, बीच में आना है, जो बताया जाता है उसको करो, उसका मीनिंग होता है बस. इफ यू डू दैट देन देयर इज नो ट्रबल इन दैट. एनीथिंग एल्स? बाकी जो टॉपिक्स आपके अपलोड किए हैं उन टॉपिक्स का टाइटल देख लेना, दे आर इंपॉर्टेंट. उनका टाइटल देख लेना और दो चार लाइन उससे रिलेटेड आप बोलो एंड स्टिक टू दीज स्ट्रक्चर्स. फाइन. सो आई थिंक एचआर के लिए जिनको एचआर करना होगा 10-15 पे दे पॉप अप, जिन्होंने एचआर की तैयारी हो गई है, बट आई एक्सपेक्ट कि इन अ वीक यू शुड गो फॉर 3 एचआर, नॉट मोर देन 3 एचआर. 3 एचआर प्रिपरेशन के साथ एंड डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, डिफरेंट थिंग्स, वट एवर फीडबैक इज गिवन टू यू, वो सारे के सारे रिवाइज करो एंड गो फॉर दैट, एंड द रेस्ट इज कॉन्फिडेंस. Go confidently in the interview. Nobody can basically defeat you. And interview is not about questions. It is not about कि sir वो question he asked me I was not knowing it. Done. Even if you know 3 answers out of 10, you can win. Even if you know 7 answers out of 10, you will lose. Why? Because 7 answers you gave, you were not having confidence. 3 answers you gave, you were confident. You were calm. You were composed. And you were knowing that these 7 I don't know. So the way you said so sorry sir no idea, that was so confident. इंटरव्यू को लग गया कि नहीं ठीक है यार इसको आता नहीं है. आना ना आना is not a sin, but lack of confidence is a sin. Don't be having, you should not have lack of confidence. Fine. Chalo, then we see again and we meet again for HR. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Good night.